Flintshire Progression Service is a multidisciplinary team, and we work very closely with the enablement model of support to enhance each individuals that we're kind of fortunate to be able to work with and support.
So I see you normally once a week at Parkfields, and well, at the minute I'm supporting her to the sessions, so just giving you that little bit of confidence, isn't it, and making sure that you feel comfortable and happy there.
I used to work with my mum as a work experience.
You did, didn't you?
And I look after children, and I was hoping I can teach more babies.
Someone I supported recently, when I first met him, he was in a residential setting. He had 3 support staff at any one given time. I think he just sort of lost his way a bit in being over-supported, and then over time he grew in confidence, and he lives independently now. He has no support whatsoever, but it was just making sure his voice was heard and finding him the right place that suited his needs.
They helped me to get my house they did in mode. Claire Jones was my social worker when I used to live in supported living. Then she asked me what I want to do as in time to get my own flat, and then she taught me my own place.
I think initially the families are always wary. You're going to take support away, and what's my child going to be like without support? But I think when they see that success, there was one story a dad told me that their son had picked his birthday card for the first time ever. It would always been one that mum bought, but he actually walked into the town centre alone and bought a birthday card for his dad, and I think that just showed him just how well, with a bit of support, his son can progress to independence.